Have you ever wondered why butterflies matter in the grand scheme of things? These delightfully delicate creatures are more than just a feast for our eyes. They serve as essential components within nature's intricate web. Butterflies play pivotal roles as pollinators, fluttering from flower to flower, carrying pollen on their bodies, thus aiding in the process of plant reproduction. But their significance doesn't end there. As a source of food, butterflies provide sustenance for a multitude of species, including birds and other insects. Their presence or absence can also serve as indicators of the health of our environment. A flourishing butterfly population often signifies a balanced ecosystem, while their decline can be a distressing alarm for environmental issues. So next time you see a butterfly, remember, it's not just a pretty decoration, it's a vital part of our ecosystem. Our journey begins with a tiny, often overlooked stage, the egg. This humble beginning is where the magic of metamorphosis takes root. The egg stage is the first act in the life cycle of a butterfly. But how does it all start? Well, it begins with a butterfly mother embarking on a quest to find the perfect plant. She's not just picky, she's searching for the specific type of plant that her future offspring will feed upon. Once she finds it, she attaches her eggs to the underside of a leaf, providing a hidden sanctuary for her offspring to grow. The size and shape of the eggs vary among different butterfly species, but they all share a common trait. They are incredibly tiny. Some are round, others are oval, and they come in a variety of beautiful colors, from creamy white to luminous green. With a protective outer layer called the chorion, these miniature marvels are more robust than they appear. The duration of the egg stage is typically about 1 to 2 weeks. However, this can vary depending on environmental conditions and the specific species of butterfly. Inside these tiny eggs, the larva, or caterpillar, begins to form. It's a silent world, but it's teeming with life. And then, when the time is just right, the egg hatches. A tiny, hungry caterpillar emerges, ready to begin its journey of growth and transformation. From these tiny eggs, a voracious eater will soon emerge. Out from the egg, the caterpillar enters the world, ready to eat and grow. A miraculous process indeed. Hatching from the egg, the tiny caterpillar or larva embarks on the most active and arguably the most fascinating stage of the butterfly life cycle. At birth, the caterpillar is incredibly small, but don't be fooled by its size. These little creatures are voracious eaters. Their primary diet consists of leaves, particularly from the same plant where the egg was laid. This is a clever strategy by adult butterflies, choosing to lay their eggs on the plant that will provide the best food for their offspring. As the caterpillar feasts on leaf after leaf, it begins to expand. However, there's a tiny problem. Its skin or exoskeleton doesn't grow with it, so what does it do? It simply sheds its old tight skin, revealing a new, larger one underneath. This process, known as molting, happens multiple times as the caterpillar continues to grow. Now you may be wondering, what's driving all this eating and growing? The answer lies in the caterpillar's ultimate goal, to transform into a butterfly. And for that, it needs energy and materials. Thus, the caterpillar's life at this stage is essentially a race against time, with the finish line being enough size and resources to kickstart the next phase of its life cycle. But it's not all just eating and growing. Caterpillars also have to watch out for predators. To protect themselves, many develop unique defenses such as bright colors, bristles, and even mimicry. Some caterpillars can even look like bird droppings or parts of a plant to throw off their predators. Quite ingenious, wouldn't you say? So, when you see a caterpillar next time, remember, it's not just a tiny creature munching on leaves. It's an eating machine, working tirelessly towards a grand transformation, adapting and surviving in a world full of threats. With enough feeding and growing, the caterpillar is ready for a remarkable transformation. Stay tuned as we delve into the next stage in the fascinating life cycle of a butterfly. The caterpillar, now plump and well-fed, begins its transition into a chrysalis. This process, known as pupation, is as spellbinding as it is crucial. The caterpillar finds a suitable twig or leaf, and using silk produced from a gland near its mouth, it spins a button of silk to hang from, in an upside-down J shape. This is the moment when the caterpillar's life takes a dramatic turn. Then, A hard skin forms around the caterpillar, creating a protective shell. This shell, or chrysalis, is nature's way of keeping the transforming caterpillar safe from predators and harsh weather conditions. It's a cocoon of solitude where the caterpillar will undergo its most remarkable change. Inside this chrysalis, the caterpillar doesn't just sprout wings. No, it does something far more extraordinary. It dissolves into a sort of organic soup, a mixture of cells that have been dormant within the caterpillar since it was an egg. These are the building blocks of its future butterfly form. Over the course of about 2 weeks, the caterpillar reconstructs itself. Slowly, the cells start to form the structures of the adult butterfly: the wings, the legs, the eyes, the antennae, and the proboscis. It's an incredible process, a testament to the wonders of nature's engineering. Inside this protective casing, a miracle of nature occurs. The caterpillar, once a voracious leaf-eater, transforms into a beautiful nectar-sipping butterfly, and all this magic happens within the humble chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, a caterpillar is reborn, undergoing a process known as metamorphosis. This is not an ordinary transformation. It's a transition so profound that it's as if a whole new life is being created from scratch. In the safety of the chrysalis, the caterpillar begins to break itself down, dissolving into a rich soup of cells. It's a process that's as fascinating as it is ruthless. The caterpillar's old body is dismantled, and from this cellular soup a new creature begins to form. This creature is not a caterpillar, but a butterfly. Imagine the caterpillar's body as a house undergoing renovation. The walls are torn down, the furniture is removed, but the foundation remains. The foundation, in this case, are groups of cells known as imaginal discs. These discs are the blueprints for the butterfly's body parts, from its wings to its antennae, and they've been present in the caterpillar since it was just an egg. As the caterpillar's body dissolves, these imaginal discs begin to grow, using the raw materials from the cellular soup around them. They form the wings, the body, the legs, the eyes, and all the other parts of a butterfly. It's a process that is as intricate as it is astounding, a masterpiece of nature's design. But the transformation doesn't stop at the physical level. The caterpillar's simple digestive system, designed to process leaves, is replaced by a more complex one that can handle the nectar the butterfly will feed on. Even the nervous system undergoes changes, adapting to the butterfly's new lifestyle. And while it's easy to think of this process as a complete erasure of the caterpillar's life, studies have shown that butterflies can retain some of the caterpillar's experiences and memories. It's a mind-boggling thought, isn't it? That a creature can remember a life it technically no longer lived. After a period of transformation, a new creature is ready to emerge. The chrysalis becomes transparent, revealing the butterfly within. The metamorphosis is complete, and a new life is about to begin. From the chrysalis emerges a creature of beauty and grace, the adult butterfly. This miraculous moment, often called eclosion, is when the butterfly finally unveils itself to the world. It's a delicate process that can take several hours. The butterfly emerges with moist and crumpled wings. Gravity assists in the process, drawing down the hemolymph, or insect blood, into the wing veins, causing them to expand. As the wings take shape, they start to harden and strengthen, preparing the butterfly for its first flight. The butterfly's initial flight is a defining moment. It's a test of the wing's strength and resilience, a testament to the marvel of metamorphosis. This first fluttering journey is a spectacle of nature, marking the end of a transformative cycle and the beginning of life as an adult butterfly. Now a fully fledged butterfly, it's time to explore its world. As an adult, the butterfly takes on new responsibilities in the ecosystem. With a diet mainly composed of nectar, butterflies play a significant role in pollination, helping plants to reproduce. These fascinating creatures are also very adaptable, making homes in diverse habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. They seek environments rich in flowering plants that provide food and suitable spots for laying eggs. Butterflies, with their vibrant wings, truly bring life and color to the environments they inhabit. Our journey through the life cycle of a butterfly illustrates their importance in our ecosystems. These enchanting creatures, from their humble beginnings as eggs to their transformation into vibrant butterflies, play a vital role in pollination and serve as indicators of a healthy environment. Their existence enhances our world's biodiversity, making butterfly conservation an imperative task. Each stage of their life cycle underscores their resilience and adaptability. Remember, protecting our butterflies is a step towards preserving our ecosystems. Before we wrap up, here are some interesting tidbits about butterflies you may not know. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? Yes, their taste receptors are located on their feet. Also, some butterflies, like the monarch, embark on a remarkable migration journey, traveling thousands of miles from Canada to Mexico every year. And the smallest butterfly in the world, the western pygmy blue, is just over half an inch in size. Isn't nature fascinating? We've journeyed through the life of a butterfly, but our responsibility towards these creatures doesn't end here. The beauty of butterflies is a testament to nature's wonders. We can all play a part in safeguarding these beautiful creatures by appreciating their beauty and protecting their habitats. For those eager to delve deeper, resources like the Butterfly Conservation Society offer a wealth of information. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature.